Okay, so sometimes when you were doing order of operation, we need to check other people's work. So in this case, Jake solved this problem. His teacher told him to check his work again, so that means he made a mistake. So we need to find out where Jake did his mistake. So what we need to do, we do need to write in the steps that we know. So we have the parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, left to right, and add and subtract, left to right. So what we're going to do, we're going to see if he did the steps. So we need to look at parentheses. So this is the group first. But remember, within the parentheses, you still have to follow PEMDAS. So in this case, I need to solve 2 to the second power, which he did. So far, so good. Then I go ahead and solve the parentheses. So he did. Then I go ahead and multiply. Well, in this case, he actually subtracted, because if you see that, he did that first instead of multiplying 3 times 10. So because he did that, then in step 2, in step 3 is when he made a mistake. The step 2 was when we wrote it again. So in step 3, that's where his mistake is. So that's my answer here. So step 3 is where he made his mistake. So that will be my answer for this problem. Now, on the next problem, what you're going to do, you're going to actually solve this problem correctly, because now we know that the answer is not 96. So make sure you watch the video for the next part so you can see what the correct answer is.